There have been many, many nutritional status studies conducted. The overwhelming result is that there is a global nutritional shortfall. That's a bold statement, but it's true. My name is Keith Randolph. I'm the technology strategist for the Nutrilite Health Institute. The health impact of a fruit and vegetable abundant diet is just unbelievable. Plant foods are great sources of what we call macronutrients, proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. Those are the building blocks of the tissues of your body. Plant foods are also very, very good sources of micronutrients, vitamins and minerals. But then in addition to those two categories of nutrients, they uniquely have phytonutrients. And these are the balancing molecules that come from plant foods. There are very few nutritional products that deliver meaningful levels of phytonutrients. Nutrilite uniquely fills that gap. I've been able to see many, many outstanding products go from idea all the way to the marketplace where they're making differences in people's lives. That's incredibly rewarding to me as a scientist.